No good. On service area, number 16. Service ace by number 16, Maine. On service area, once again, number 16. But no good. Score 6-5 in favor of Team Wagers. Ang paboritong kalang libero ng bayan number 22. With a service ace. It's 22. Pumunta ka sa kaliwa. Nice service, nice receive. Number 7. On service area, number 7, Judy. Nice receive by number 22, number 8, Diego, to number 16. Number 7, over the ball, number 8, to number 28, Mini. Number 7, get five! Right now, service area. Parang yung sabihin mo naman, hindi na po nakikita naman. Hindi na po nakikita naman. Service, number 7, Judy. Nice receiver, number 8, Jago. To number 28, number 4, Ryan. Receiver number 18, Gia. Jenny Powers! Nice receive by Kalamado! Gia again, number 7, Jen again! But pinakabalik lang ni number 8, Jago! To number 7, Jago again! To number 20! No goal! Score 7-9! In favor of Team Readers! Service! Number 7 again. Nice receive by number 22. Number 4, Alan over the ball to number 14, Dana. Number 7, Jen Price. But we did. Isa na lang po malaman ng ating Los Rivers. 8-9. Number 4 on service area. Ireland. Nice receive by number 23 to number 18. Number 22, 28 to number 6. Judy sending the ball to number 26. Receiver Ireland to Mini. Kalmado lang si number 22 to number 7. Jenny, hindi na bukas ang mga nangyari. All 9. Service area number 4, Ireland. Receiver number 26 to number 7, 26 again. Receiver number 4, Ireland to number 30 to 14, Dara. Judy sending the ball. Masyado malayo. Lamang na lang isa ang ating Team Wagers. Service area again, number 4, Ireland. Nice receiver number 7 to number 4, 28, number 22. 7 over the ball, taking number 30. Number 28, Mini. Favorite moves. Score 11-9. Number 4, Ireland with a service. Service ace with a number 4. Ireland, Team Readers. Service area, number 23, Diana Subiri. Receiver number 8, number 23, Kalamana Paris, wala kayong malis, kay Kagan. Number 22. Service area, number 30. The number 7. Number 16 over the ball to number 4. Number 7 again. Number 18 fires from receiver number 4. Number 4 to number 7. Ay Pito ang referee. Tumalon si number 4 kay Tom Rowe. Setting on the line. Number 18, Gila. Number 4, 28, Meeting to number 8, Gila. 7 to be Diana Paris. Kalamana to number 7. Hiring again to be hiring over the ball. Jenny Paris to number 6. Number 7 for the first ball. Number 14 to number 8, Gila. Setting again. Number 18 on service area, Gia. Nice receiver number 22. Number 16, number 7 over the ball. Lee over the ball. 7. Diamond Paris. Receiver number 4 to number 4 again. Big 10. Score 13-14. Receiver number 30 to Mini Santatilo. Number 7. Nice receiver number 4. Score 15-13. Timeout Team Warriors. 13-15. Number 18 on service area. Receive by Yard. Number 13-16. Outside. Number 28, Vicky on service area. Receive by Diana. To 7, Vicky. Diana over the ball. Receive by number 30. To Jay number 8. To number 16, number 7, Diana. Vina Nagami, number 22. To number 7. Jay Paris. Receive by number 28, Vicky. To number 30. Begin. Substitution, number 30 out, number 14 in. Service by number 26, Jenny. Receiver number 7, to number 14. Number 22. Number 7 again. Diana Paris, number 22. Outside. Score 15-18 in favor of Blues. 26 again on service area. Received by number 4 to number 22. Received by number 18. 23 Lamang na po ang apat ng ating Brewers. Last 2 points para sa ulang set. Received by number 28, number 14. Number 7, setting the ball. Number 23. Number 8. Gia. Pinalo para sa back row. Tatlo na lang mga kalaban. Number 6 on service area. Received by number 3 to number 16. Number 23. Number 22. 22-11. Number 7, 23. Dalawa lang. 19-17. Nasa wagas na ba ang member? No good. Set point. 17-20. In favor of Gonzaga Brewers. Service number 16, Lane. Rotation violation. Si number 14, ang magsaserve. Service number 8, outside. Change court. Receiving number 3, number 7, Julie. Diana fires to the soul. To number 14, number 7 again. Number 4, 17, number 22. Pinitin Brown. Number 7, Julie. Diana with a line. Receiving number 20, to number 14 over the ball. Number 16, Julie. Diana fires. No good. Score 2-1 in favor of Team Waters. Receiver number 3 to 7 Julie. Gia over the ball. Receiver number 28 Mini. Number 4 Mariana. Nagkakaroon si number 14 masyadong tigil. Score all 2. Number 7 to be in service area. Receiving Jingle. 14. Number 7 Julie Gia. Number 28 Mini. Number 4 Mini. Number 16 to 7 Julie. Jenny over the ball. Receiving number 28 Mini. Calmado. Number 23 Dayan to be over the ball. Masyado kumapayang nari. Tutuloy na lang. Not getting number 4, over again to number 18, number 7. Dana Powers, this is number 8, to Gia. Short. Service area. J-Lo number 8, receiver number 16. Jenny with a spike, receiver number 28, Mini, number 14 over the ball. Received by Jenny again, to Judy. Nice play by number 26. 14, to number 18, Gia. Number 4. Calmado, Pinalikrado, with a one-hand spike. To Jenny again, Calmado again. Number 26. Service area ahead on the wing, J-Lo. Outside. Score 3-4. Substitution. Received by number 20 to number 4. 28 over the ball. Judy to Jenny. Judy to Rob. Nice receive by number 28 to number 23. Judy sending to Diamond number 14. Receive by number 30 to 28 again. Number 18. Number 7. Set back on the ball. No good. Not over. Waters ball. Score 4-5. Waters naman ang lumalaman ngayon. Ang service area number 22 is still number 7. Nice receive by number 13, backdoor. Service area number 18, Gia, receive by number 50. Ang ganda ng approach, number 4. Receive by number 7. Labanan ang approach. Service by Gia, receive number 6. 22 over the board. Number 14. Number 7. Jenny Paris, receive number 22. Number 16 to 7. Number 16 back. Number 20. 16 again. Number 6 to number 16. Receive number 70. By number 18, Gia. Touchdown, Team Waters. Receive by number 22, 23. Approach number 4 to 7 Judy. Receive by number 30. Number 4 again. Outside. Receive by number 6. 28 meeting. Number 14. Number 7. Jenny Paris. Receive by number 4. Number 16. 16 main parts, receive by number 14. Kaliwat kanan ng paluan, manalis lang. The number 14, Daina. Number 7, Daina Winapay. Receive by number 14. 28 over the ball. Number 7 again to Jenny. Score 10-5 in favor of the Warriors. Nice receive by number 6, number 22. Number 16, no good. Substitution, number 6 out, number 8 in. Service area number 4, RM. Receive by number 26. To number 22, number 28. 22 in a spike with no jump. Then fires! To number 4 again. Jenny number 26. Jenny again, walang kasama-kasama. Nanarin si Bulang. Binabalikan lang ni number 22. Jenny again. Receive the notification. Ringers ball. Score 11-6. Service area number 26. Inside. 12-6. received by number 4, RL. Number 16, Juby. Check to the young Flyers. Number 26.